Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Kdenlive, a powerful and open-source non-linear video editing software. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, Kdenlive offers a wide range of features to bring your creative ideas to life. And don't forget, the download link for Kdenlive is waiting for you in the video description below. Let's get started. Kdenlive is a free, open-source video editor available for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. It's built on the MLT framework and offers a flexible, non-linear editing experience. This means you can work with multiple video and audio tracks without altering your original files. Perfect for complex projects. Here are some of Kdenlive's standout features. Multi-track editing. Easily manage multiple video and audio tracks. Effects and transitions. Enhance your videos with a variety of effects and smooth transitions. Proxy editing. Edit large videos smoothly using smaller proxy files. Keyframe animation. Create dynamic animations for text and visuals. Wide format support. Import and export videos in formats like AVI, MP4, MKV, and more. Let's walk through how to use Kdenlive. Install Kdenlive. Download and install the software using the link in the description. Create a new project. Choose your project settings, like resolution and frame rate. Add media. Import your video, audio, and image clips into the project bin. Edit and trim. Use the razor tool to cut clips and arrange them on the timeline. Add transitions and effects. Overlap clips for transitions and apply effects to enhance your visuals. Before we continue, if you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Your support helps us create more content for you. Why choose Kdenlive? Here are some of its advantages. Free and open source. No cost, no hidden fees. Cross-platform. Works on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. User-friendly interface. Great for beginners and pros alike. Active community. Get help and tutorials from a supportive user base. Proxy editing. Perfect for editing high-resolution videos on less powerful systems. Ready to get started with Kdenlive? Download the software using the link in the description below. Choose between the installable version or the portable version, depending on your needs. Follow the installation instructions, and you'll be ready to edit in no time. And that's it. Kdenlive is a fantastic tool for all your video editing needs. Don't forget to download it using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!